friends, my name is Ashok Sijal. In this session, we learn the view state in state management. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen, and here Microsoft Visual Studio Express for Web Edition is open. SM website folder, that is state management short form, and file menu, take new file, and here C# selected, web form file is there, and now give the name of file, and that is state underscore demo, and just press add button, and now our file is open, and here fix our title, and that is view state demo. Okay, and in division tag we take one panel as a container control, and that's id p1 run at server side, and grouping tags, that is we uh, view state. Okay, and then like back color we have to provide, and that's pink, just, and close the panel, and here take one label like lbl answer run at server side, and then text is 0. We have to whenever button press, that label text is increment by 1. That is our goal, and we can understand the how view state is work. Okay, then button id bt add run at server side, and text is also add, and some formatting like font, that is bold, true, font size, that is we give the large, so many values there, and four color, that's we have provide, and I move forward. Okay, so dark slate blue, and just close the, and here provide one BR tag. So let us check our design. Okay, so that is 0 label, and that is button. Whenever we press add, that one value increment by 1. So in state management in ASP.NET there are 6 technique like view state, hidden form field, query string, cookies, session, and application. So there are 6 technique, 4 client side work like view state, then hidden form field, query string, and cookies. That 4 technique or method, you can say that is work on client side, and session and application state management work on server side. So view state is given by token every control and every control event, that is given by server, and that maintain in hidden type. So we can check at runtime. So view state is a basic client side technique of the state management. And you can say that what is state management? State management means we we can store some information for future reference, that is called state management. And view means see. So our ASP engine identify how many control our page, and which control, which properties change, that is store some, and that depend on the ID, and that is known as a view state. So let's start. We can take here the label ID, and then text, and that text we have to increment 1. So we first convert in the convert class integer. So in 2e32 is method is there, and just same label, and that text we have to apply, and +1, so that increment, and after incrementing we provide all bracket here, and 2 string, so that label itself is increment when press the add button. So that is simple one line logic. I revise: convert dot in 2 in 32 label text, and +1, so that is convert integer first, label text, and plus add, and then converting the text. So here is a 2 string give to the string value to label text itself. So that is our goal, and how it's view state here, so we can check at runtime. Let us check. Okay, so there is in design there is only two control, label and button. Okay, so now our view state underscore demo sp file is running now, and here view state, that is our panel title, and view state demo, that is our page title. Here label 0, I just press add button, and here 1. So how it's identifies 0 to 1, so that is a view state. Okay, so every control and every control events maintained by server to identify which property changed by the user, and that's known as token, and that token known as a view state. So that is given by the server maintaining the client side. So I again press 1, so 2, 3, 4, and whenever it close, then start again 0. So label text 0, that is which is stored, and that is view state, because otherwise it is not stored, then label text again label only label. So then button id we can change bt add, so that is button 1 default value is appear, but that is not a thing happen, so that is known as view. So we can, in short, every control register in server side, and that token known as a view state. Okay. Let us check here. I just click on right side on running web page, and here view source there is, and we can check our view state ID, our control given by the server. So here you can see type is a hidden, so that view state is maintain the hidden field, and name is a view state, ID is a view state, and name there is so long. Here you can see there is, I think, one whole line is there. So, and there is, you can see the alpha digit symbol is also there. So like here equal sign is there, some symbol is also used here, alpha digit, all combination is appear here, like you can see the plus sign is operator, plus plus is there used. So there is big, and here event validation, so there is maintained by the event handling, and that is also view state maintained. So there is, in our design there is a label that is maintaining the span tag, there is button input type submit, so their button and label maintaining the hidden form field, or that is known as a view state, and every control that view state is a unique, so there is no chance to any duplication, and there is so long. So there is here, you can see, I can just select to watch you. So there is symbol is alpha, all uh, alpha alpha letter digit symbol, all our keyboard character is used. So I think you can understand very well. So we can also check the view state at a runtime, so you can understand very well. Okay, now I close this web page and summarize here. First we have to take here two control, label and button, and label text is 0, and button there is, we can on click event write only one line coding, and that is label text convert to in 32, label text convert into integer and +1, and then again to string convert to the integer to string and assign to the same label text. So that is a view state. In state management ASP, I previously said there are 6 techniques, 4 work client side and 2 work in server side. So view state is a basic first client side technique. Okay, so I hope you can understand. Subscribe my channel Ashok Sijala Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting, sharing my video lecture. Hare Krishna.